On their journey to generate leads, advertisers often discover paid traffic pointed to generic web pages don't convert like they should. This is actually because visitors can't find what they've specifically searched for on the generic page and bounce a lot quicker. Hardly ideal for your lead conversions. If this is a problem for you, let me introduce you to the magic of landing pages, your new marketing best friend. Hey guys, it's Trav here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. Landing pages are the most important element to PPC, helping guide users from your ad to a page focusing on one campaign goal or objective. While linking to your website might be fine, the beauty of paid advertising on Google Ads is that you can choose where to direct your visitors and lead them exactly for what they're looking for. Linking your PPC ad to a generic page rather than a specific landing page so they can find exactly what they need. If visitors can click through from your ad to a highly relevant landing page and are met with information that will reinforce the promise of your ad, you will have a much smoother path to conversion. In fact, it will convert your prospect 65% better than a website page. Such results from such a small change means PPC landing pages are crucial to lead generation. Ensuring each of your PPC ads has a specific and personalized landing page will help you achieve a higher AdWords quality score, in turn boosting your ad rank and your search impression share, getting your ads served up a lot more often, lowering the cost per click, lowering the cost per acquisition, and to increase conversions on the offers that you run. So now that we understand why we've got the landing pages, let's talk about building landing pages and what to remember during the process. Landing pages are a small segment, but there are lots of moving parts that you need to juggle. Some of these moving parts are more important than others. So if you get lost in the building process, you can lose out on valuable conversions. To be sure you've covered all aspects for your landing page to be sleek, optimized, lead generating machines, we've created some things just to double check. Number one, create a headline using actionable, value-driven vocabulary. Just like any other headline you create, use action-oriented language that gets your customers moving. We want to entice people to click and flow through the process, as your title is communicated to them the value of clicking now rather than later. Number two, make a subheader that describes the benefit of the offer clearly. Your subheader is simply an extension of your headline. It's there to be spicy enough to entice, but still give a taste for what people will get by filling out the form. Ensure that this section also includes keywords which will be relevant for those searching for your content. Number three, write body copy that's scannable, scrollable, and compelling on all platforms. The headline and subheader should explain what the offer is about. This text should be formatted, easy to scan, read, and informative. Number four, optimize every aspect from the page title to the URL. Like in all aspects of dealing with search engines, you must ensure your content is optimized for the platform. This means that the page title, URL, and meta descriptions all have keywords in them to make sure people are clicking on your listing. Number five, images. Show what you're offering and optimize your image alt text. People want to see what they're getting in return for their personal details. So show them. If people are going to get an ebook on SEO, your image should be a high quality visual representing that ebook on SEO. Remember though, that sometimes Google does not think your image is right for search. So be safe, add relevant alt text to your images. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure that you hit that bell so you can stay up to date with all the latest videos delivered every week into your inbox. Number six, customize your lead capture form. For a large number of lower quality leads, make your form brief. A lower number of high quality leads make a more extensive form. As well as length, personalization is key. To do this, we use a thing called progressive profiling. This will show new form fields to returning visitors. Refilling forms can be annoying, so ensure that your returning customers have a smooth visit each time. Number seven, maximize your landing page through its format. Ensure the layout supports your information. Unfortunately, a good headline and subheading won't be as effective if the font is too small, making it completely unreadable. Similarly, if your landing page is not compatible with mobiles, the chance your customers will complete the form is highly unlikely. Your marketing software should already have this backed in, but it's always smart to double check that it's working before you hit publish. Number 8, ensure that smart content is top notch. Have you ever received an email before that said, "Hi first name"? Yeah, me too. Embarrassing, but ultimately the fault is of poorly set up smart content. Errors like these are easily done and just as easily removed. So if you're willing to go that extra mile to personalize your landing page with smart tokens, make sure you use default ones that are customized and logical in place when they're used. Number 9, make sure the entire conversion process is functional. Inbound marketing is all about humanizing the process. So ensure, just like a phone call or face-to-face conversation, end each submission with a thank you after the submission and a kickback email to nurture and follow up with each user after they've downloaded your resource. And there you have it, the benefits of PPC landing pages and the 9 things to look out for when generating your landing pages. Keep in mind that this checklist is a jumping off point, but hopefully it has given you a good starting place to kick your AdWords campaign and landing pages back into shape. So if you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone that you know that needs a hand with landing pages for their PPC campaigns. You can also subscribe to our blog where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighborhood does. Well, that's it from me. Happy marketing.